In this class, we are going to look at how to convert a time from one time zone to another time zone with the help of integration or with the help of XSLT function. So before going into directly into hands-on, let's first walk through the documentation for the function which we are going to make use of in order to convert a time from one time zone to another time zone in our integration mapper. So we are going to make use of this fn adjust-time-to-timezone function. This is having two parameters. First parameter it accepts is the XSD time, or also we can make use of the fn current time function as well. Both will work over here. Second parameter it accepts is of type daytime duration, so it will range from minus pt 14 hours to plus pt 14 hours. There are few examples provided by IBM over here. You can have a look at this. Now let's directly jump over to integration and have a hands-on. Before going to drop this adjust time to time zone function, let's now first check what is the current time in our integration instance. For that, I'm dropping this current time function over here. Validate the mapping, validate the mapper, go over to the test and execute. So the time currently in this integration server is 1433. For your information, this server is running in the UTC time zone. So let's now verify from the Google what is the current time in UTC. So the current time is 2:33, that is nothing but 1433. Now let's go over to the designer. Let me delete this current time from here and drop the adjust time to time zone function. First parameter over here is the current time. Let me drop the current time in the first parameter, and the second is of type daytime duration. Let me drop it over here. Now let's check what is the time in India right now. Let me give the offset pt 05 hours and 30 minutes. Let me validate the mapping. Okay, we need to end with the code. Validate the mapping, validate the mapper, go over to the test and execute. So currently the time in India is 8:04 PM, that is 24. Let's now verify from Google what is the time. Currently the time in India is 8:04 PM, that is nothing but 20:04. Let's now consider the example of some other country. Let's now check what is the time in Saudi Arabia, whose offset is 3. Let me go over here and remove the 30-minute offset from here and put the 3 hour. Validate the mapping, validate the mapper, go to test and execute. Currently the time in Saudi Arabia is 17:35. Let's now verify from the Google what is the time in Saudi. Currently the time in Saudi Arabia is 5:35, that is nothing but 17:35. So like this we can convert a time from one time zone to another time zone seamlessly and efficiently with the help of XSLT function, that is adjust time to time zone.